Hello guys, how's it going? Hello, hello. Hope everyone's having a good day. Here we go. We're gonna rock it today, guys. Pop up the chat there. Let's get the chat going here. Let's get some emojis. Hello, hello, hello. There. Let's edit this. Paste. Trading. Live trading, chill, day trading, live, Rocket League trading. Um, okay. Here we go. Let's go. Let's drop these charts. Let's get going. I haven't looked at the charts. Okay, let's switch over. There you go, guys. You can see my charts. There. Just open up MetaTrader just in case we put a trade there. Right. Okay, guys, hopefully everyone's good. Everyone can see what's happening. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. Let's redo our charts a bit here so we can get rid of this line, this line. Let's look at some news, see if there's any news today. Trading, economic calendar today. Do we have any major news? There is some news, but it's not major, I don't think. So, and no news Monday, more or less. Okay. Let's go on Discord. See if my buddy's there. Why is my Discord app not working? That is not good. Not good at all. For some reason my Discord app seems to not want to open up. Previous day low has been hit, guys, for oil. We have a bounce. Is there a key level here? There is sort of some liquidity is taken. A little bit low would be better. But if we look at the 5 minutes, there's an inversion. So this could be a AMD setup. Would it have broken this trend line? Let's see. Right there to there. Let's get rid of this. And then we go from here to there. It actually is. Guys, could this be the one? Could this be the one? I've literally just opened up the charts. Could it be? There is liquidity here that it could have hunted. Let's look at the hourly. Respecting up. Oh, hello. We might have just found it, guys. Should we go for it, guys? Should we go for it? That is the question. It is before market open. Stop loss has to be there. Ooh. I think we're going to go for it, guys. We have to. There. I think we're just going to do that, guys. The stop loss has to be slightly above, because on this particular account I didn't have enough to put it down there. So we're in it. We're in it to win it, guys. This is a downward trend. It has broken the trend line. It's taken Asia lows. It's swept some liquidity there. It's respecting a 1 hour fair value gap. And we're just going to go for it. We'll see what happens. Either it's going to be a good trade, or it's going to basically blow this account. So it's one of those all or nothing trades, guys. Let's go, let's go. Let's get the hype train going. Literally the first trade we look at, we entering. How's that for one? Bullish, bullish, bullish. Get rid of this line. Just getting rid of platinum. I mean, not that. What am I doing? So we're in oil at the moment, guys. Let's get rid of this. It might not be the best setup in the world, but you know what? I'm tired of calling out good trades and then they just don't play. Well, they play out, but then I'm not in them. So we're kind of going to set and forget, guys. Set and forget. Let's get rid of that. Platinum would have had 1, 2, 3. There's 2 touches basically there. How are we doing with this trade? How are we doing? Not too good. The reason why I took this trade, guys, if you really want to know, it is a bit of an impulse entry. There's accumulation here after a small little move down. It's respecting a 1 hour fair value gap. So if I draw that 1 hour fair value gap, it looks like this. Okay. So there's the 1 hour, right? It's respecting. It came through, it swept a bunch of liquidity, it came up. There's a 1 hour fair value gap above it. There's one there as well. So there is targeted liquidity above. Yes, we are going down, but it did bounce, and I'm going for it. It's a very impulse trade. It's not something I would always typically do, but that strong reaction at inverse on the 5 minute means that, see, it inversed on the 3, but barely inversed there. Let's come down to test it again on the 3, so that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So all the time frames look decent. You guys don't have to get into this trade. You don't have to be in this trade. I am going to go for it simply because it... Wait. Hang on a second. Wait. Hour for value gap. Oh, that's... Okay. So it's respecting hour. 4 hour. There. 2 hour. How's it? All good, all good. So it has inversed. Oh, okay, it did inverse the hour. have a little bit of mixed feelings about this one, but it was too good initially to pass up. So let's look at gold. Let's forget about that trade for now. Let's look at gold. Let's get rid of some of these markings so that the charts look a little bit better. So this can go as well. It's no longer the highest point. There. 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 Yeah. To there. So this would have been there, which means it would have broken. So we're just going to put it there for now. Euro. Let's clean up Euro. I mean, technically, we should have done this a little while ago. There. But I was busy editing, guys. I was busy editing for my other TikTok channel, so I'm a little bit late today to the party. Wait, where's the... Hopefully we're going to make money today. If not, I'm just going to blow my account. Not the best attitude to have, but that is the way it is, guys. Let's have a look at this trade. Not looking too good, guys. Not looking too good. The inverse on the hourly, all that. Can't. Let's just see how much is there. Trader rates. It's 250. This was 220. Yeah. Oh well, we're gonna see what happens, guys. We entered. Broke the trend line. There's 1, 2, 3 touch points. Aggressive break. It could just stop us out, but you know what? That's life. AUD. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. This. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Try not to worry too much about that trade, guys, because if we start fiddling with it, then that's when stupid things start to happen. Okay, let's say from here to there, we have 1, 2, 3 touch points. Okay, so that's fine. Let's go back to our trade. We just have to have faith in it, guys. We gotta have faith. We gotta have faith. Okay, there's the break there. So we missed that break. There. Okay, we had all-time highs. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna go from here to there. We're gonna change that to this. We could go straight down, but we're not going to. Okay, so we've done. Nasdaq we have not done. Reset. Get rid of this. Financial advice. This is not a financial advice channel, guys. We are not here to tell you where to trade, how to trade. All I'm doing is sharing my experiences and sharing my thoughts on the matter, my opinions. You do not have to agree. Technically, you should never do what I've just done now, which is get onto the charts and take the first trade. See, there's a break. First trade you see. So that technically is wrong from me. Whether it works or not makes no difference. It should not happen. But I'm a peg, so sometimes it does. Okay, we have there. Okay, so this is interesting. Okay, let's go back to our trade. See what our, oh Lord, hello. We are getting wrecked. So this was not a AMD setup, it looks like, even though it swept the liquidity, inversed after accumulating, inversed. So if it breaks this fair value gap, we cooked. This one here. If it breaks that, we cooked, guys. Right there. So hopefully it's just respecting this fair value gap on this trend line and decides to go, because on the 4 hour seems like we have a 4 hour. There's a fair value gap it respected there, took that. Could come up and take that. I would really, really like it if it did. Well, you know what, guys? If we lose, we lose. If we lose, we lose. That's just the way the cookie crumbled today. I'll just trade on my other accounts, MetaTrader. So we'll see. I was a little bit hesitant once I put the trade in, simply because of this liquidity below. Okay, there. This could be a target. So in hindsight, yes, I should not have got in here because it has not taken that liquidity yet. But I just saw the AMD setup. The AMD is accumulation inside the 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. The accumulation manipulated down and left a fair value gap on the manipulation leg. It then came up straight away to inverse that fair value gap. Okay. And now is coming down to test that fair value gap again. So if this comes and closes above here, then we golden, guys. Then we golden. If it just accumulates here for a while, slowly starts to move down, that's not a good sign. We need it now to forget about this liquidity here. Okay. So if I put my trade in like this, we need it to come up. Okay, we need it to come up. Basically. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Very early trade for us, guys. Very early trade for me. There's a trend line here, guys. There's 1 touches, 2 touches, 3 touches. So it's a 3-touch trend line. It broke the trend line. It inversed the fair value gap on the 5-minute inside a hourly fair value gap, okay, that it's respecting. So there were a few confluences, there were a few reasons why we took this. I'm hoping that this thing just goes to the moon, okay. I'm really hoping it goes to the moon. I would like it to target at least London highs. That's my goal. So if it can target London highs, I'm happy. I'll be happy with that, guys. If I move this, I needed to target that, which is a 1:4.7. I'd be really, really happy with that. I will go to break even here, maybe, at the top of the fair value gap. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for the hell yeah. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. We're in this trade. We'll see if it works. It's not an A++ setup, but it's still a setup. One would be okay losing a setup like this because it makes sense, guys. If you're upset with your loss, then it didn't make sense. This one is, I would say, a 70-30. 30% chance that we'll come down here and take this liquidity, okay? But based on the reaction here, there's a high chance, or let's say 60% chance, that this has broken the trend line and now will start trending up. It doesn't have to, okay? There's no rule that says it has to. There is a fair value gap it's respecting right now inside the hourly fair value gap. But look at up here. There's no fair value gaps up here, okay? So if it breaks this fair value gap and starts moving upward, chances are you're looking at least up here somewhere. And if that's the case, then we're doing well, guys. Then we're doing well. Okay. So everyone knows the reason why I took this trade. And if you are a trader and you're a trend line trader and you're watching this and you also decided to take this trade, I'm sure you have that similar reason why you took it. Okay. If you look at platinum, if platinum does this and does something over here, we can look at that. What's probably going to happen with platinum, okay, is that it's going to come down. It's going to take Asia lows, the orange lows here, Asia lows, and previous day high, okay? So if we go to our tool and we go circle, it's probably coming here, okay? That's my prediction with this. Once it gets here, we'll draw a new trend line, okay? And see, maybe it'll bounce, and eventually break here somewhere. And if that's the case, we could catch a move up with platinum, okay? Oil, I just want oil to go. I'm in two minds at the moment whether to cut this trade. And the only reason I would cut this trade is because of this liquidity here. This here, okay? It's very close to the liquidity. What I mean by liquidity is these lows here. It's very close. Okay, now, if history has told me anything, is that when it's close to liquidity, external liquidity like that, chances are it's going to go down and take it. All right. But it, like I said, it doesn't have to. There's no rules stating that it must. Okay. And that's another thing I've learned. So there you go. $100 up, $120 up. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Awesome. It's 1 second. It's going to inverse. I think it inversed. Did it inverse? There's the line. Yes, it did. Okay, guys. Now I feel a little bit more confident leaving this trade alone because it inversed this 5-minute small fair value gap here. Right? So the mere fact that it inversed this, okay, means that this should theoretically start going up now. Okay, someone could even, if they were inclined, they could take the long from there, put a stop loss below the fair value gap and push that up. That's if they wanted to. Okay, now I need to figure out what is going on in my Discord. Can you guys, obviously you guys can still hear me. Discord, dota. Okay, so now I'm on. Okay, now everyone's going, oh no, this trade is going down. Yes, it is going down. Okay, we left the fair value gap here that it could probably come and test, right? So let's just change the color of this. So there's the 5-minute. This is the hour. This is a hour fair value gap. Okay. And this is a 5 minutes. 5-minute fair value gap. Let's just visibility. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, the only time I panic, okay, the only time I will close this trade is that if it gets to this fair value gap again and breaks it, then I'm technically out this trade anyway. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, let's see. Let's leave it alone and let's have a look at other pairs just in case we can maybe try find something somewhere else. Okay. Gold is trending upward once again. We don't have really a reason to short gold. At the same time, we can't really just do this. Okay. So if I go to the ray tool and do this, we can't just do this and say if it breaks this low, then we short it. You know what I mean? Like, you could, but like, it's respecting a fair value gap here. There's no reason and no. The only reason it would come down is because it's taken London highs. So if it inverts this fair value gap, maybe, but you're taking a big risk with that. Let's look at euro. Okay, euro is just gone. Okay. Let's see. I think this would have been a good trade. So if we go from here to here, Just seeing this now. I wish that I had seen this live. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. If I had seen this live and said that's the touch point there, fair value gap respected, pushed up, taken. But we can't really do that now, so this gets deleted. Oh, look at this. Okay, guys, so far this is reacting the way that we want it to react, right? And if it closes above here, then I'm very happy. It needs to start doing price action, needs to start playing up here. Because I can go to break even at this level here. Okay, so if I go break even around here, this fair value gap. Okay, so we don't want this to close below this fair value gap. Okay, there's a lot of lines on this thing. I'm going to get rid of some of them actually. Rid of that. We need this to push up. Let's get rid of this because we don't want this to push down there. So that's our trade right now, guys. So currently, that's the trade we're in right now. Let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ has broken that. Interesting. Interesting. NASDAQ is acting really as a break and retest, guys. Market structure shift. I might take a long on NASDAQ on my other account. This is the 5 minutes. The only problem is that the stop loss. This is just bullish, bullish, bullish. Here, are we coming here is the question. It's just been trending upwards, upwards, upwards. Retest. Fibonacci. Let's just do from here to here. Came down into this fair value gap area. Bounced on the trend line. Okay. I don't know. It's just been going up for so long. I might put a small position in. You know? Really small. Or do I? I said to myself today I wasn't going to second guess myself, but seems like I am doing it. Euros, one thing, that's another thing. Silver, AUD. AUD's pushed right through. We could have taken that, but we were too slow. We were sleepy. Very interesting. Let's look at our trade. You know, it's not terrible. Oh, as I say that, guys, do I need to put the ghost here? Oh no, do I need to put the ghost?
Oh no, need to put the ghost.
How's it, bruh? I literally started talking about this trade. I said it doesn't look terrible. As I finished that sentence, bruh, it just dumped like a stone. I can't believe that. I need to clip that. I need to find that in the stream and just clip that and put that on social media. That's crazy. What's happening, bruh? Oh, there it is.
Absolutely nothing.
Let's see if this trade was going to play out. I went to MetaTrader, drew it up. Let's see if it would have played out. The second guess is real. Why is everything going up but fucking oil?
I don't know, maybe you should ask it.
I did. You know what it told me? It told me, fuck you! Although I do like the candle it's forming, but it's no good. Thanks for the hype. I appreciate it. Actually, when I look at it, I love the candle it's forming. Just keep going up. I finished the Naruto edit, bruh. I'm just getting the sound for it. Trying to find a good Naruto sound. Like an action sound.
Like a song or something.
Yeah, just like 30 seconds long, like an action sound. You know, when you're scrolling on TikTok, you get those cool fighting songs. Yeah.
I don't really use TikTok, so
I'm
not too sure. Time now, 9 o'clock.
Well, this is either the account's going to be blown or it's going to make money. And it's not looking good right now.
Well, swept the low there. Looks like it.
It was in a fair value gap for an hourly fair value gap.
Well, it looks like it came down, took the lows, and then pumped up.
Yeah. The only thing I'm stressed about or worried about is this. This is external liquidity right there.
It's at the low.
Yeah, if I zoom out, there.
The hourly.
That's the 5 minute. So that's the only things I'm stressed about. It's now inversed. Back. I think I might just cut it. Although it hasn't broken the trend line.
Interesting, huh?
I don't like that inverse. That's the
What
only thing.
inverse?
Let's look on the 3 minutes. Still good on the 3. Look on the 2. Still good on the 2. Still good on the 1, technically. Oh, not the 1. Screw it. Just going to leave it. If I look at the 3, never mind. Wait. How far can I go down? There?
Eyeball. You're adjusting your stop now.
No, I just want to see. Okay, not there.
You just click confirm.
No, I wanted to see if it tells me how much in the dollar value is now being risked. Because it says there 200, so oh well.
Oh, fucking well.
This fair value cap is my last saving grace. If it breaks that, I'm cooked.
Better go cook then.
Oh, okay. Nazi would not have worked. Ugh. Oh, thank you so much for the gifts. Appreciate it.
Gold just looks garbage.
Oh God, is it gonna do this to me? Yeah, it's gonna do this. And I'm out. I think
Out
that's
of
my.
what?
Yeah, I think my account is gone, bro. Oh well.
No good. Now what? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Yeah, I think the account's gone. No,
Shh.
I'm just saying the account there is gone. So now I'm gonna be trading on MetaTrader. So I can't look at silver. I mean, at oil or platinum anymore.
You can. I think it's just different
Yeah, but I
names.
don't trade that on MetaTrader. I was just trading that on TradeAway. I guess my analysis was right. It's gonna come here and take this liquidity sweep first and then go. Was the one thing I was worried about. I even
Could
said
just
it
dump.
beforehand. Yeah. We got cooked today. Cooked over the fire today. Fuck, bro. Look at my screen.
Screen.
Look where I said platinum will go and bounce off. I said platinum when it was up here. It's going to come down, drew a circle. Look at that. Nostradamus, bruh. Nostradamus. Don't play games here. Hey, hey!
Still in a downward trend though.
Yeah, I could continue going down. I'm just saying I knew it would bounce off there. Even draw the circles for it to get to.
Is that the previous day high or low?
Yeah, the previous they are. But I can't do anything with it there. Euro was interesting.
What's the news today?
No, I didn't see any news.
There's a whole lot of orange for the news today. Might play some Resident Evil.
Eh?
I might play some Resident Evil.
Is it?
It is. Found it in my library of games.
Okay.
What does that mean? Well, you lost your trade for the day.
Yeah, that trader bait. I haven't put a trade yet on MetaTrader.
How much you got left on there?
Couple more trades. It's getting quite chilly this side.
It's raining there.
Well. We tried, we lost, we move on. I also thought because it took the London lows, took their liquidity there. Lesson learned. If it's almost at external liquidity, don't touch.
Continue game. Don't know if I want to play this at night time.
You're playing Resident Evil now.
What? What? Hello?
Khan, you still there?
Yeah?
Looks like we have lost Khan. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't hear you, Khan.
Hello?
I see your mic moving, but I can't hear you.
Hello? Hello?
The best reward policies in the industry? 15% rewards from challenge phase. No reward caps. No reward cycles.
I think it's
You
my
name it.
Discord. You can hear me? Okay. Hello? Anybody there?
Hello?
Okay, I can
Hello?
hear something.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello? Are you there?
Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Sean? Can you hear me? Hello?
Do, 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 do. Well, if you can hear me, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Sean? Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay, so guess we've lost Khan for now. He's restarting. Right, guys, so those who don't know why I took this trade, I've explained before, it's in an hourly fair value gap. There's a trend line coming down. This should be this color. This should be this color. We have a bearish trend line. It broke the trend line convincingly after an AMD type style setup. Accumulation, manipulation, taking out the liquidity there. And left the fair value gap in the manipulation leg. It burst it. At the same time breaking the trend line. And I thought to myself, this is it. Let's go. Now everything's bearish. I literally said it's going to bounce here. And we'll see what it does. So this is bullish. If this keeps doing this, and breaks somewhere here. In this area here somewhere. Then we can look at either a long or a short. Market open soon, guys, so be prepared for some decent price action, hopefully. We're just chilling and trading, guys. Chilling and trading. We do a little chilling and trading, that's all. Okay. Anyone have any questions? Do we have any questions in the chat? Anything that you guys want to hear? Anything you guys want to see? Any of these charts you want to go over? I don't mind. We are bullish. A lot of people will see this market structure shift and just long it no matter what. Market open now. Let's see. Nasty. Oh, hello. So it did come up to this area. It just inversed here instead of there. That's because of market open. Is there an SMT? Yes, there is. There, it's there. Okay, we have a big move down. I'm going to move on the smaller time frame. Let's see. Okay, so we have a break of that line. This accumulation area could just be an AMD setup. It's swept liquidity. Right. Respecting a 2-minute fair value gap there. There's a bullish SMT. It's not a huge, massive one, but it is there. It's been going up and going up and going up. There's the AMD setup, the accumulation, manipulation up into taking these liquidity highs, and now it goes down. So they got one of the things. So one of the things on ES is working. If it respects this fair value gap and respects this one on NASDAQ, the break and retest, we could try this out.
Hello.
Even though everything is bullish.
Hello.
There's the inverse. 2 minutes.
Can you hear me, Sean?
3 minutes.
Hello. Hello.
There's a 2, the 3.
Yo.
1.
Hello.
Respecting
Hello.
the 1. Break
Hello.
and retest.
Dude, can you hear me?
Well, let's do the break and retest, I guess.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Only one way to find out. Small. SMT. NASDAQ is the weaker out of the, the stronger out of the two pairs. There is an SMT at the top. Here. Here. There to there. It's ever so slightly, it's small, but it is an SMT. I should have done it on ES.
Can you hear me, Sean?
3 minutes respected.
Sean. Chilling.
Is it gonna come up and take highs again? Probably. Bullish, bullish. See how it just accumulated? Everything was going sideways. Came down, came up, swept all this liquidity, and then did a market structure shift into the break and retest here. So we could target the lows. What did he say? Dude, I can hear myself on WhatsApp when I'm sending a voice note. But we were talking on Discord. That's what I don't understand.
Hello. Chilling.
Let's see, let's see. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, come on. I'm about to get stopped out. Oh well. You can hear... So it's Discord. It has to be. Close Discord. Open it up. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know, bruh. I've tried a few things. Yeah, let me just try this.
Wrong.
Yeah, it's
Wrong.
Discord because I can't hear that where I say wrong. But let me go to my Discord settings. Voice. Hello.
Hello.
My output device on Discord is my headphones. What? Is that not meant to be the case? Yeah, I can't hear you at all, bro. Let me pause the music. Is it because of that? I don't think so. One, two, testing. I hope my stream's still fine.
Hello.
Get rid of this thing. You can hear me on the stream and my voice. So everything is fine except Discord. What the hell?
Look, if I send a voice note to you, this is through my
There had to be
microphone.
something in settings. Probably gonna get stopped out while I'm doing this.
Look, if I send a voice note to you, this is through my microphone.
Yeah, you obviously there's nothing wrong on your end. It's my end that's stuffing up. I just don't know what to do. Inputs, I've got my microphone. Output, I've got my headphones. I haven't changed anything. So I don't really understand why this is doing this. Ish, I don't like this. I picked the wrong pair to short. Huge SMT coming up. Damn, I should have shorted. Oh, this is killing me. Every decision I'm making today is the wrong decision. Instead of shorting ES, I short NASDAQ. Yeah, I'll change it to something else. Speakers. Hello. Headphones.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Dude, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I'm probably stopped out. Yeah, I'm stopped out. I knew this was coming. I knew it was coming. I literally said massive SMT coming. I'm focusing on this stupid sound thing. I'm not even. Well, I've just lost how much? $118 again. I was gonna cut that trade and I thought, nah. I mean, I don't know. I'm just so irritated right now. I am just so irritated. I was gonna cut this trade. But my whole Discord is just not working now. This is so stupid. I haven't done anything different. Nothing has changed. I saw this going down. I saw this consolidating. I saw this going down. And I said to myself, there's a massive SMT coming. And I should have just cut the trade. This is just going sideways. Well, there's the direction, I guess. Bullish. Hey, I tell you, it's always something. Always something. Today is just one of those days that are just not good at all.
Logolan.
There, there. Look at this SMT. I can hear it, Galen.
Okay, I just took a trade on gold. Fucking
Galen,
longed
you
it.
there?
Put in $15,000, bruh. Money, money, money.
I could
Can you hear
just
me,
hear you.
Galen?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Who can you hear, Khan or Sean?
This is Grim Fandango. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me or Sean? Because Sean can't hear us or can't
I can hear you
us.
both, man.
Oh.
Sean, talk?
Hello?
No, can't hear Sean now. There you are.
Yeah, but he can't hear us.
I can't hear us. Sean, can you hear me? Sean,
Oh,
Sean.
I'm so over
Sean.
it.
Sean, Connie's so over it.
I just lost the trade because I
No.
wasn't focused at all.
No, he lost the trade.
all.
Sean, can you hear us? Khan said you can't hear us. Can you hear us?
Everything said bullish. I'm trying to
He
catch
can't
a
hear us.
retracement down before the bullish move. I see the massive SMT forming because Nasdaq is weak. It's just consolidating.
He's talking to
And
himself.
ES was
What the fuck's
dumping.
going on in this conversation? You yokes are
And
off,
I
man.
said to myself, when you see
He's
something
talking
like
to
that
himself on
and your
the
trade
stream
is
or whatever.
consolidating, you get out. You get out straight away.
He's on his stream. No one told me that, bro.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just on Discord, yeah, but he's obviously on his stream talking to himself. He's lost
Always
like
a
3
technical
trades now.
problem with my computer. Always. Every time I do anything, there's a technical problem. I can't hear you guys. I can hear you guys like a whisper.
Have you turned us down or something, man?
You know what he
Hello?
can hear? He can hear us through his fucking stream. That's where he can hear us.
Oh,
Hello?
I'm just so over it. So over it.
This is Grim
Can't hear you,
Fandango. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. So what you up to, man?
Soos 'n engel op my tong gepiepie.
I don't know what to
So
do.
what you
I
up?
don't know what to say. I don't know what the hell's going on. Everything's
I
just
don't know
stuff.
what to do. I'm
Timothy
Timothy Treadle.
Everything's stuff. Losing trades because I'm not even concentrating on what I'm doing. Rushing
No, you're
into
losing
trades
trades because you're
because
just
of
putting the wrong
seeing
trade.
setups. Today is
Come on,
a
bro.
fuck up of notes.
Come on, bro.
Blew an account. Took a
Oh,
trade.
fuck. It
Was
blew
about
up.
to exit a trade. Got sidetracked because of all this crap that I'm doing.
Funny how you can hear him.
Trying to go in
Cry.
settings. Default. Go back. Microphone.
Random question, bro.
Yo.
Would you
Yes.
ever buy a house in Japan, bro?
Maybe. You can get a
I'll buy one.
decent one.
Would you go half with me?
I don't understand.
Not at the moment.
I really don't understand.
No, not at the moment.
Depends on what the house is
So what's
like.
happening? Can't you going?
Let's try
Connor,
blow
are we
our
on
other
this
account,
hoax?
guys, just because we
Yeah, he can hear us on a
can't
week.
really
We'll be on
focus.
the stream.
Let's fuck it up
Can
again.
people hear us?
He'll on the stream. If I let me see. Yeah, we're on his stream.
Yeah, but can they hear us?
Yes.
Massive SMT forming again.
Gonna
So
go to the other channel.
can't really trade that.
Yeah, bro.
Gold reversing. Can't do anything there.
See there.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Anybody there?
Galen?
Good times, guys. Good times. Go back to my account. We only blew an account today and lost 100 and how much on this one? $118. Not much. Yeah. I don't know how this stream's not gonna be the best stream, guys. So you guys are more than happy to just watch someone else go for it. At this point, I am not the best person to be around. I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna see, and I'm just gonna trade. I got into a stupid trade, and because I was focusing on Discord, I was looking at that screen, trying to make a decision on the fly, and it was just a stuff up. I basically have to restart my whole PC and see if it fixes the problem. That's what I have to do. But because I'm streaming, I'm not gonna do that. So I guess no mates on Discord for today. So, yeah, good times. If you were trading NASDAQ and you were in the short with me and you listened to me when I said an SMT was forming, massive SMT, I hope you read between the lines and got out the trade like I should have done. But because of circumstances, I was preoccupied and I could not do that. So I only hope that no one else got burnt as well. Look at this. Just look at this. We sorting and fiddling out other crap, and this is what we miss. Ay, ay, ay. Boom. Retest there. Of course it would work. Why wouldn't the trade like that we weren't looking at work? You know? Why wouldn't it work? We have a sweep of liquidity for silver. Has not taken Asia lows. AUD. Change the actual position of the trend line. Just bouncing between the trend lines, I guess. Not deciding where it wants to go. So if it comes up here, manipulates up, taking out all this. If it manipulates up and then comes down, sure, we can try that. Until then, we can't do anything there. Let's look at Euro. Euro's breaking it. So it's broken the trend line. We would like a retracement up. Test the trend line again and then come down. NASDAQ. It either leaves you behind or wrecks you. It's just that simple. It's so dangerous to trade NASDAQ. The second I saw this consolidation, I should have just pulled the trade because I knew that this was here. I knew 100% that this was forming. I was even talking about it. I said, this is what's going to happen. And I still stayed in the trade. Like an idiot. A complete idiot. So yeah, guys, today is not the best day. I do humbly apologize. I'm hoping that I do not have a lot of days like this. Otherwise, I don't know how long I'll be able to stream for. I'd say the last 5 days we've been streaming. We've called out some epic trades. We've called out some amazing trades. We've even taken 1 or 2 trades that have been amazing. But today is just one of those days. Literally just one of those days. when nothing works, nothing seems to go right, and it just everything you do just falls apart. Every trade you take is a mess up. Every setup you look at doesn't work. Like it's just one of those days. And you will have those days. I'm telling you now, if you've just started your trading journey, you are going to have days like I've just had now, where nothing you draw up, nothing you execute will work. It's that simple. It's going to happen. Mentally, it's one of the hardest things you have to deal with trading is your technical analysis not working when it should, um, knowing that you should have got out the trade when you said you were going to. All of that psychology issues and crap is the hardest part of trading. Putting the trade in is easy. Technical analysis is easy. The psychology of knowing that you should have got out the trade and you not actually clicking the button because of something else, that is one of the hardest things. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what any trader says. That is the hardest, is the psychology. We have a Murusa SMT. Let's even forget about this. We have a huge SMT. So look at that. But everything screams bullish. So you go NASDAQ. Look at this. Like you can't, how do you trade that? And with a massive S&T like this, how do you go long? You can't. This, to me, looks like it's going to just dump. SMT after SMT. I don't know. AMD is crossing. So you can stop letting me know. I'll just delete. Just delete it and do another one. Okay, we only have 2 touches. Touch more times there, then we can talk. Yeah. Again, we were not looking at euro. There's the break. And this will happen all day, guys. All day. This is going to happen all day. We are going to just miss trades just because we aren't looking at it at that specific moment. It's just going to happen. If I go to gold, there'll probably be a trade there as well. Yeah, gold was easy. Gold was broke it, inverse the fair value gap. Exactly like the oil trade we had earlier. Swept the lows, accumulation, it manipulated down, fair value gap, inverse, on the break, and this one just happened to work, but the oil one didn't. Oil just dumped. That's good. At least I was incorrect there. That's a good thing. I do not like to be proved right if I lose the trade. I would prefer to be proven wrong. I'm not always this pessimistic, guys. It's just today is just not a good day. Everything is going absolutely wrong. Normally I'm upbeat, optimistic. I talk more about the charts. It's just today. Yeah. Yeah. Everything just doesn't look right. There's two trades. Clear break of the trend line. Small retest there. Gold was easy. Gold was simple. Came down, inverse, get in, ride it up to about there. Either get out or make a decision at that point. Platinum, we predicted exactly where platinum was going to bounce off. Right there. I even drew the circle, it bounced in the circle. So the circle serves no purpose now. Look at that. We can't trade platinum, but if we could, look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. It was always going to happen after I blew the account. I was going to see trades like this. We were incorrect with this one. Thank goodness. So if we move, this needs to go there. This is gonna come on me. Hmm. Let's look at the higher time frame. Reset. There, go to the 5 minutes. This is our off day for the month, guys. This is a big off day for the month. Probably won't stream for too long. Everything is just not going right. SMT, SMT, inverse, inverse. What is going on here now? See the SMT? If one of these hit the liquidity here, it's definitely hunting it. We are definitely hunting this liquidity at the top here. This here, 100%. This is where Nasdaq wants to go. Okay. Okay. Let's do some chart analysis. Let's go through maybe a strategy or two for anyone who's interested. Okay. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it. Rage quit. Yeah, true. A strategy that you guys can implement that I'm going to go through now is the AMD setup. Okay. Now, if I look at, let's not look at gold. I'm going to take either Euro or AUD. Okay. And I'm going to try to find an example to show you guys. So I'm going to look on the 15 minute reset. Where's a good example? Oh, the mere fact that I'm struggling to find the perfect example is not good. Well, this isn't perfect. Let's look at Euro. Okay, this isn't perfect, guys, but this is the setup here. Okay, this is liquidity, right? Here, 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 here. This is all built up liquidity. So we have a brush. Okay, so we have accumulation, right? Accumulation still. Manipulation, because you can see there's a gap here, fair value gap. And then we distribute up slowly as you inverse the fair value gap. Okay. You can get in or you can wait for the retest. It's entirely up to you. And then, like I said, the distribution goes up. So if I draw it here, it's accumulates. Let's say there's wicks here. This is external liquidity. Okay. Fair value gap, external liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Let's just clean that up. I like to do a visual representation because let's see, this is liquidity. Okay, fair value gap from a higher time frame, which is over here. Okay, and then there's let's use a path. Okay, so let's say we accumulate like this, right? A little bit up, a little bit down, but it's fine. We're still accumulating. Okay, and then all of a sudden we manipulate up like this. Okay, and then let's say we go up a little bit further, right? We create a fair value. Oh, sorry. What am I doing? Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So we manipulate for a while. We come up into this fair value gap, right? And then we come down. So now we're respecting this fair value gap. We come down and inverse here. Okay. So in this area, there's a fair value gap. There. A fair value gap is created on the way up. So on the way up, it's created. Now you inverse it. Okay, so let's say you inverse it there. Now you can either come up, wait for it to come up into that fair value gap again, and then come down, or you can just enter, because this will be a distribution. This is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. On the manipulation leg upwards, it needs to create a fair value gap. If it doesn't create a fair value gap, it's not a valid entry to come down. It's that simple. Okay. Oh wow, bunch of gifted subs. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Wow, guys. Here's a bunch of gifted subs for you. G5, Move Hearts. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's very cool. Very, very cool. So this is the AMD setup, guys. Obviously, if I had a lot more people in the chat, they would ask questions about it and figure out what is this. Drop in Scoot 44. Okay, no worries, all good. Thanks for coming through. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. And for earlier. We'll see. Maybe I'll be able to catch something, but I doubt it. The way that today's been going. So Euro, as you can see, there's the break. And then there's the push. Okay. Gold probably has left the building. Not yet. Nasdaq, something would have happened on Nasdaq. When there's a massive SMT here, guys, it's so close to the. This is untradable because it's so close to the setup here, the liquidity, that it's just. How do you trade it? It has to. Mind you, this inverse could be a trade. Let's see. Nah. It's got to get here, guys. The SMT is huge. So there's some form of a move coming down, I think. Very seldom does an SMT form like that and nothing happens. Well, let's see. Let's see if my hunch is right. We've inversed that. Respected this. Where did I enter? It's over here somewhere. Stop loss there. Targeting there. Let's see if the hunch is correct. You should not be trading in all this mess. The mere fact that I've put a trade is just stupid. But we are respecting from a fair value gap down there. The SMT is the only thing that's bothering me. But this is the trade, guys. So either we win it, we lose it. I'm not putting any magnets. I'm not putting any emojis on. It's either going to win or it's going to lose. We inverse the 1 minute. There was no 2 minute. Is there 3 minute? No. So we inverse the 1 minute. Ideally, we should have got in here, but it's fine. We got in a bit late. There is a 1 minute fair value gap now that it's inversed. So it would not surprise me if it comes down like this into this fair value gap where I entered, and then goes up like this. It would not surprise me. We go break even when we hit this level. When we hit that white level, we go break even. We know that it's hunting this level at the top. So either we've caught a decent trade or we're going to get stopped out and then go. One of the two is going to happen. This is not a trade that I would suggest you guys take at all. It might turn out amazing, but it might not. It's also not really where I would normally take the trade. Ideally, I'd take the trade here, right there, but I took it there because it's a bit late. So we could get a 1 to 2 trade here. I'll be happy with the 1 to 2 because I'll obviously recover the funds I just lost on that same account. This is the 1 minute time frame, guys. It's the only time frame that this made sense. The 2 and the 3 still respected there, which is good. The 5 respected the 5 minute. Look, that's good. So if anything, it's going to hopefully come up here. If anything. But then again, I should rename the title of this live stream that no matter what trade I take, you take the opposite. That's a funny one. So we took a little stab at this. Almost 10.20. What is it? 10. Yeah, 10.20. As I said, the reason we took this trade, even though it is like overbought, since there's a fair value gap here and a SMT. The SMT is the problem, and the 15-minute fair value gap is the problem. I'm targeting these double highs here. Okay, that's what I'm targeting. This equal highs, almost equal highs. This is a strong draw on liquidity right now. That's where I'm anticipating price going. Now it might still go there, but it might stop me out first and then go there. So it all depends. At some point it will go there, guys. At some point. It doesn't mean that because I'm in the trade now it's going to go there. And also I do apologize for me being such a downer today. But things are just not going right. It's very overbought. We are in the middle, high up like this. We should not be buying here. That'll be the lesson, that if I lose this trade, that'll be the key lesson. SMT and overbought. The discount range would be down here somewhere if we had entered. That would be a good area to buy. Here, after this, not so much. Are we going for it, guys? We are going for it. High risk, high reward. Definitely not the way to trade. But today is just one of those days, and that's how we're going to trade it. We'll get rid of that because we know that's where we want it to go. Even if it goes to my break-even area and I say, oh, I'm going to cut the trade, guys, it'll bounce off that and then shoot up. So I am going to leave this trade alone. There's a 2-minute fair value gap it's respecting. Is there a 3 minute? Yes, there is. Small 3 minute here it's respecting. If it inverses these two gaps plus the 1 minute here, then I might get out because then it's going to cook me. It'll cook me for dinner. Let's get rid of that. See, this is like, I don't like this. I don't like this. The 2 and the 3 are price ranges or price action is okay. The 1 is just stalling. Yeah. It would naturally do what it's doing. What are we going to do? Are we going to push up for this? Or are we going to come down and test something else? What have we decided? Or are we going to come out and take me out like I expect? I expect it. It's so overbought and I'm buying at the top. Stupid thing to do. Very stupid thing to do. If it closes like this in 20 seconds, then I'm going to cut the trade no matter how much I lose. I want a green candle within 10 seconds. One is okay, I guess. Okay, bit of a decision. This candle has to close green. If this candle closes red, then no. I like that bounce. It's not bad. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. We'll see. 1 minute 35. Because both the 2 and the 3 are now aligned in time. So when the 2 closes, the 3 closes. And if they inverse, then I'm out. If they close red, then I'm out. 1 minute seems to be okay. It's bouncing off a key level. It's built up a bit of liquidity for it to come take. I like those wicks of the 3. Those wicks look good. Hopefully we can shoot up now. That's it. That's it. I like the way it is. Oh, no, 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 no. closed green. I don't like the way it closed, but it closed green. I think I'm grasping at straws here, guys. I think I'm actually grasping at straws. This is not really the best entry in the world. Holy crap. There it is. There's the entry. The perfect entry. There it is. Right there. You can even take that. Boom, 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 boom. There's the entry. My one was up here, guys. Turns out this was the one I should have taken. Yeah, we got cooked, guys. We're getting cooked. We're getting cooked for dinner here. 2-minute fair value gaps respected on this one. 3 minutes on this one. They still respected. The only problem is it's going down, so. Inverse 2 minutes. Probably an inverse there. No matter what I do, it's just not working. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it. If this does not inverse right now in 30 seconds, then I cut it. Respecting the 1 minute. If this respects this, and this is the red candle. This closes red in 18 seconds. I have to cut it. 10 seconds. It has to inverse in 6 seconds. Oof, almost. I'm out. Took the loss. Extra $30 loss right there. It's not inversing. I'm not prepared to sit there and watch it come all the way down. So now you have permission to go up, since I know where you're going. Go up. Now this is what's going to happen, guys. It'll inverse this now, the next candle or two, and it will do this. It'll hit there, and then it might come down a little bit there, and then it'll start doing this all the way up. That's my prediction. Let's see if I'm correct. I'm out this trade. I'm going to say it one more time loudly so the market can hear me. I am out this trade. There you go. Say it one more time. I'm out this trade. There you go. You guys think I'm messing around? A candle like that appears as I get out. Wait. You guys actually think I'm trolling? Where's the ghost? Where's the ghost? Let's put the ghost. You guys think I'm trolling? Watch. You have no idea the power of the markets that mess me around. You saw how long it was stalling for, right? Markets. And now watch what is about to happen, guys. You're not going to believe this. Until you see it, you're not going to believe it. You ready for this? You got to clip this, eh? Clip it and upload it. Clip it and upload it. Watch. You have the ghost of the cursed ghost here. You guys think I'm trolling? Watch. You guys think I'm trolling? Wait. We're gonna see. Let's just move this across. This is gonna come for me. Let's see if our trade was gonna work. Imagine taking it down there. Oh, what a trade. Let's see if this would have worked. Or this was just a pullback. Why is it doing this? I'm not in the trade. It needs to push up. Come on. Come on, show us something. Today is absolute dog hog. You guys thought I was trolling, huh? Wait. Just wait. Thought I was trolling. Pick a direction. Pick a direction and just go with it. Pick a direction and go with it. This is how you count on me. Okay. Well, it's just going sideways, I guess, guys. As I said, guys, the tougher thing about trading is not technical analysis, because you can find a strategy that will work. It's the hardest part of trading is the psychology. Psychology is 80% of trading, at least. If you can control your trades mentally, then you'll be fine. But if you're someone who wants to just keep trading for the sake of trading and keep losing for the sake of losing, like me today, then no good. No good. See, this is just dancing around now. Like, it's going to come up here, guys. It's going to. It's just a matter of when. And at the moment, it looks like it either still wants to come down, take more liquidity, and then go up. So yeah, price action is not good at the moment. Not too happy with that. All this accumulation. Boom. Come on. Yeah, that's the direction. Pick the direction. I don't understand because I'm not in the trade. If I was in this trade, then I would understand. But I'm not, so I don't understand. It's taken me, I've taken myself out of this situation. So theoretically, the trade should work, but it seems to not want to work. That's very interesting. Instead, it will just dump. Wow. Yeah. This nightmare is just continuing. All right, guys. Well, I think that's me for today. It has not been a good day at all. I appreciate the gifted subs. I appreciate the gifts. I really do. But this to me is just. I apologize to anyone who's watching at the moment who's expecting an upbeat, cheerful stream because this is just not it. Um, yeah. So once again, guys, I do apologize, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.